This is your online test, okay, mathematics test class 10 from similar triangles, full marks 10. So time 30 minutes. So question number 1 in the figure, this is your figure PA, this is PA, QB, QB, this is your QB, QB and RC are each perpendicular to AC. This is AC, both all are perpendicular to AC, all are perpendicular to AC. So prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y plus is equal to 1 by z. Okay, this is first question, and this question marks is 3 marks. Okay, question number 2, in triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. There is a point D in AC such that BC square is equal to AC into CD. Prove that BD is equal to CD. This is your second question. And third question, this is your third question. ABC is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. If AB triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC, prove that AD is equal to BC, E being the point on the intersection of the diagonal AC and BD. This question marks 3. So after solving the 3 question, send the answer sheet to WhatsApp number 9932109174 or 7583937613. After checking your answer sheet, I will solve. After checking your answer sheet, I will send the paper to your WhatsApp number. Okay, so I will give you each and every day the question paper. Okay, 10 marks, 15 marks, etc. Okay. Similar timeline, theorem 1, basic proportionality theorem or Tahel theorems. This is also, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other 2 sides, then it divides these 2 sides in the same ratio. This is the theorem, so you have to prove it. So first you have to draw a triangle. Suppose this is your triangle. This is a triangle named ABC. Here is a line PQ. This is a suppose PQ line which parallel to BC. That is PQ given PQ parallel to BC. This side suppose parallel to BC. Okay. P is a point which intersecting AB at the point P. So Q is another point which is intersecting AC at the point Q. So you have to prove AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. AQ by QC. So first construction, first join PC and BQ, join PC and BQ. So another, draw a perpendicular QN which is perpendicular to AP and QN which is perpendicular to AP. This is draw QN which is perpendicular to AP. Okay, Now let us prove. In triangle, take two triangles A, P, Q. Area of triangle, A, P, Q. A, P, Q by area of triangle P, Q, B. Triangle P, Q, B is equal to area of triangle A, P, Q is equal to half base into height. Half base is equal to what? AP into height is equal to Qn, since Qn is perpendicular to AP. Height is equal to Qn by, when you consider this triangle PQB, area of triangles is equal to half base will be PB and height will be, this is your height, will be same, perpendicular drawn from vertex to the base. This is base, you extend the base from BA, so here perpendicular will be Qn into Qn. So Qn cancel out, half cancel out, that is equal to AP by PB. This is equation 1. Again in triangle APQ, area of triangle APQ by area of triangle PQC. Why we take these two triangles APQ and PQC? Because the ratio will be, when you divide this area of this two triangle AP, you will get AQ by QC. Here is right hand side AQ by QC. You have to prove. Why we take first APQ by PQB? Only because here is your AP by BP, here is AP by BP. When you divide these two triangles area, you will get AP by BP. That is why first we take APQ and then PQB. Here this is equal to half base is equal to, this is your AQ into perpendicular is equal to Qn. Perpendicular is equal to, here suppose Q and this. This is your vertex. From P point draw a perpendicular to AQ, that is equal to P end dust. So the P end dust, half base means half base is equal to AQ and perpendicular is equal to P end dust. When you take this triangle APQ, this is your height, means perpendicular distance, into base is equal to AQ, and take another triangle PQC is equal to half base means AQ, means QC, base means QC, and height means P end dust. P and S cancel out, half cancel out, is equal to AQ by QC. Here, but triangle APQ, triangle PQB and triangle PCQ are lie in the same base is equal to PQ, that is PQB, this triangle PQB, this triangle and this triangle PCQ lie on the same base PQ and same parallel lines, and PQB lie on same base. Which is the same base? Same base here PQ, and same parallel line which PQ and QB QC are same parallel, and same parallel line same parallel line, same base PQ and same parallel line PQ, and therefore two triangles, triangle PQB area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC area of both triangles will be same, PQB and PCQ, area of both triangles will be same. From equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. From 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 equation, when you see that here PQB here PQC same, and AQP same, this same, and PQB same. The left hand side of these two equations 1 and 2 both are same, because here PQB, triangle PQB and triangle PQC are same, and triangle APQ, this triangle is equal to this triangle, this is equal to this. Therefore left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 will be equal, therefore right hand side will be equal. Right hand side of equation 1 is equal to AP by PB is equal to right hand side of that equation 2 is equal to AQ by QC, So this is proof. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC, so proved. So very important, easy. Take ABC triangle. In ABC triangle, first we take APQ and triangle PQB. So area of the triangle APQ is equal to half base into height. Area of this triangle is equal to half base, this is a base PQ, into height will be same, half height will cancel out, that is AP by PB. Similarly, if we take another area of two triangles APQ and PQC, half base means AQ into height means P indust, and in this triangle half base means QC and height means again P indust. So half P indust cancel out, that is AQ by QC. So in two equation 1 and 2, here PQB and PQC are lie on the same base PQ and same parallel line BC. Therefore two triangles, this triangle is area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. So if you put this equal to this and this already equal to this, their left hand side of equation 1 and 2 equal. Therefore right hand side this equation right hand side is equal to AP by PB, and this is right hand side AQ by QC must be same. This is the same. This is your alternate answer. Okay, next.